Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to install the App.db Tool onto your PS Vita. Now basically what this tool does, you might remember when I did the PS Vita mobile video, and for that video you actually had to refresh the database, and every time you refresh the database it kind of like messes up all your folders, messes up all your apps, moves them around the screen, and also takes your theme away. Now basically what this app does is it makes sure it restores your database, but it doesn't touch your theme, it doesn't rearrange your icons. It's actually pretty cool if you want to refresh your PS Vita and you don't want anything to change. So yeah, this app, that's probably like the main feature that I'd recommend getting it for. There are some other features which I will show you, but if you guys want to get this app, you want to tap on Vita Shell, then just tap on Start. Once Vita Shell loads up, you will need to press select, connect your PS Vita to your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. The link to the download will be in the description of this video, so once you guys are over on the website, basically on the overview right here, it will tell you all the features, so you can export and import your LiveArea layout, wipe database without losing your LiveArea, and refresh database. It also tells you each setting which is on the menu and what it does. You guys can read this. The main one that I want to use is just rebuild right here. So basically if you want to get this, scroll down, we're looking for downloads tab right here. Once you click on that, you want to click on the App.dbTool.vpk. Once you clicked on that, it will just download the VPK file for us. So once that has finished downloading, we want to head over to our downloads folder, and you will be able to find the file in here. So what we're going to do is very simply just drag and drop this on the root of our PS Vita. So once that is copied across, that is it for our computer. We can now go back onto our PS Vita, and I'll show you guys how to install it and some of the features. Okay, so once we're back off the PC, we need to scroll down and go into the UXO, scroll all the way down, and we're looking for the VPK. So here it is, App.dbTool.vpk, press X, X again, and then X one more time to start installing it. Now it should install fairly quickly. We can just press circle to go back to the main menu, and we can close out of Vita Shell. So now we're just going to look for the app. Here it is on our home screen, App.db Tool. Let's just tap on it and then tap on Start. So here are all of the options. We've got the export LiveArea settings, export LiveArea settings without the wipe, import LiveArea settings, and then we've got rebuild database. So I don't want to change the LiveArea at all, so I'm just going to go to rebuild database. Now once I start this, my theme and everything will be kept intact. I'll just prove this works. So if you just press on X, rebuild database, X for yes. So there you go, updating database. Do not power off the system. This shouldn't really take that long, just a few seconds. Okay, so now I will prove it to you. As you can see, the theme is on already. And if you take a look at my home screen, you can see that everything is kept the same. See, I actually really like this. It's actually pretty cool. Now, because you did update it and your PS Vita kind of restarted, we will need to open up the HNCR update again just to launch your custom firmware. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys this app. It is pretty useful, and yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.